So now we are going to discuss console.readline and console.WriteLine method in console application. To take the user input from console, we will use console.readline method, and console class is available in system directive. Console.WriteLine method is used to print output on console. If you want to give information on console to user, in that scenario, we will use console.WriteLine method. So let's understand with this example. So here we are using system directive because console class is available in system namespace or system directive. So here we have declared one class program in which static void main method is there. After that, we are asking user to write the username for him or her. Console.WriteLine, enter username. After that, we are using console.readline method to get the input from console. So console.readline method is used to get user input from the keyboard and store it in the variable. After receiving the information from console, with the help of console.WriteLine method, we are writing that username on console again. So the output will be, the system will ask user to enter username, and after that we are just printing that username on console with the help of console.WriteLine method. So let's understand this with code now. So as we discuss, console class is available in system directive. So suppose if I comment it out, then it will throw the exception. The name console does not exist in the current context. So that's why we are using system directive over here. So let's go to definition where console class is declared. So the console class is static class, which is available in system namespace, that is system directive. And there are multiple classes over there in console, like console.readline, console.WriteLine, and many more. So these are the classes, or these are the functions available in using system namespace. So let's get back to our code. Please enter user name. So there are two methods available in console class to write the information on console, WriteLine and write method. So what is the difference between write and WriteLine method? WriteLine method will move the cursor to next line after printing this information on console. But if you want to take the input or print the value on same line, in that scenario, we will use console.write method. So let's use console.WriteLine method. So cursor will be moved to next line. Now I am reading that information with the help of console.readline method and just printing that information, that is username. Your username on console again. So let's run this application. So as we have used WriteLine method, so the cursor is moved to next line. I am writing my username and it will print again whatever I have entered as a username over here. Your username is Sunil 4. So the console.WriteLine method is used to write some information on console, and readline method is used to take input from user. Now let's use console.write method. As we have discussed, console.WriteLine method move the cursor to next line, but here you can see that now it is pointing to same line. Sunil 4. Yes, now the output is same. Your username is Sunil 4.